am literally straight up kind of PO'd. That is unbelievable. I had such a great video for you guys planned. Hey, if this is gonna fit me. There's no way in hell. I am, oh yeah. You guys ever see Tommy Boy? That man in a little coat. Oops. I'm glad I opened it now, not waited till I went go hunting. I'm back, 26 Acres Outdoors. I got something exciting to share with you. We're gonna start doing unboxings and a little review of what I think on some new hunting gear this year. And we'll do some fishing stuff as that comes along too. But right now it's hunting because it's getting close to that season. And I need to reamp my stuff. I needed rain gear. And today it's Sunday and it's pouring rain. What a great day to test it out. So I got the Blocker Outdoors Sheild Drencher series. So let's see what it looks like. Now, I'm dying out for this stuff. Let's see. I did a fair amount of research in it. This is not the insulated version. And I guess I did order the most, oh, I got mossy oak. It's supposed to be silent. Not really too bad. Rain Blocker Drencher series. Looks well, kind of comfy. Hopefully it fits. There's the pants. And check out the jacket, which looks like it's for a kid. What the? Oh boy, there's no way that's a men's large. For Christ's sake. I'm glad I opened it now, not waited till I went go hunting. There's zero way. All right, now I have something even more guilty to tell you guys. Since they messed it up, now I gotta send it back. I don't shop at Dick's Sports, you know what? Because of what they changed. No hunting, no nothing, no boom. And unfortunately, July 4th, I was gonna get this from Blocker Outdoors because they had a 30% nation website sale. And then they did it, and it went up to the regular price, the $80 for the pants, $90 for the coat. Which I don't know how a kid's coat's 90 bucks. Out loud. That is, anyways. But I got mad and missed the sale and went searching online, and unfortunately Dick's had it for, I think the coat was like 38 and the pants were 38. I was a hypocrite on that one. But so now I have a kid's jacket, which I don't know what I'm gonna do with. It's an extra large. There's no way, zero way that this is gonna fit me. There's no way in hell. I am, oh yeah. You guys ever see Tommy Boy? That man in a little coat. Oops, I didn't mean to say that. So I guess I'm gonna get wet if I try to go out hunting in this extra large child's. I think the pants will fit. Second reason not to order anything from Dick's. They only sell the hunting stuff online. That's what I get for being a hypocrite. Go. I don't know if I can get out of it now. You gotta be kidding me. Well, anyways, so much for me testing it out, unless I want to just test the pants. I actually think what I'm going to do, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to send the coat back and the pants because they messed up, and I'm going to go pay full price from Blocker Outdoors. Check them out. They got a lot of closeouts and stuff, and I guess I'll order the new set at the regular price, and then we'll test it out. Wow. I really can't believe that. I really can't believe that. I'm on the Blocker Bucks. I ain't joshing you, but unfortunately, I'm locked out because I forgot my password. I typed it in once wrong, and I am temporarily locked out to try again later. But I'm ordering it from here, like I said I was, and I'll get the color I want, but now I am blocked at the current time because I typed in the wrong password. I guess they don't play around with passwords when you sign up, but it's pretty cool because you get points if you sign up with an account, and you earn every point, or you earn 1 point for every dollar you spend. I guess a lot of websites do that, but that's still pretty cool. Combine that when they get a sale. Good damn. Anyways, that's the one I want. Real Tree Escape. Yeah. Real Tree Escape. Extra large, preferably, and preferably an adult size. Alright, well, I'm going to finish ordering this up and get this out from Blocker Outdoors. I suggest you do the same if you're looking for rain gear or anything else. They kind of got some nice stuff, seems pretty decent. I'll put it to the test. Oh, how much you want to bet I'm going to have a hard time now getting my money back because there's no tag because some idiot ripped it off, sent it back, and then they sent it to me. Oh boy. I googled I can return it in the store or online or mail it in. I probably wouldn't want to be in the store with me when they give me a hard time. Now I'm really done shopping there. No more for me. Ever again. Online, not online. Maybe I'm overreacting, but you gotta be kidding me, man. Oh. Hey, we saw it all. If they think I made it up, they can watch the YouTube video. I unpacked it right in front of everybody. All right, well, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys got a good chuckle out of this. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will be definitely getting some more videos out to you all. Thank you all for subscribing. I'm still having fun. Hope you are. Catch you next time.